Everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. It's Stitch Fix Day. I have my fix right here. It's a big box and I can't wait to see what's inside this box. So what have you been shopping for lately? Guys, I'm not even sure what I need. It has been so nice and sunny and warm here. I mean, almost shorts weather, and today it's blowing, it's windy, it's cold. I mean, it's truly spring transition. So that's what I need is spring transition pieces, but more than that, guys, I need some clothes that fit. I am packing on the pounds with this quarantine, guys. I got my shot. I got my vaccine. I am so happy about that. I hope that getting out a little bit more is going to motivate me to take off some of this weight. But I have adjusted my sizes. Hopefully everything in this box fits, and I am desperately in need of some clothing that fits. Let's see what is in my latest Stitch Fix. You know what, before I open this box, I should introduce myself. Guys, I am Kelly Shaffner. Welcome to my channel. I'm really glad that you are here. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you, and to my returning subscribers, hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're well. I hope that this spring transition is easier for you than it has been for me. Okay, this is what the inside of my box looks like. There is a mailer. I can return anything that doesn't work. I see some mustard peeking out right there. Do you guys see it? That is awesome. And this bundle is kind of busting open. There is an envelope with everything. It's a really fat one too. I do have some style cards from my stylist as well as a note. And I have, what is this? I haven't seen this before. This is everything I need to know, which I know a lot about Stitch Fix. I've been doing this style service for a while. And then I have my invoice, my prices. Let's look real quick. What does it say? $186. This is a very affordable fix. I did not look at the individual prices. We'll go over that when I let you know what I think about the clothes. Let's look at the bundle. Guys, there's a bag in here. Kind of a cool color too. This is the bundle. Ooh, okay. Denim. I don't know. You know, I need some denim that fit, but I've bought a couple pairs from Stitch Fix in my last or recent fixes. I'm not sure about this brick red. I do normally like red, and then there's something fuzzy there. All right, let's pull this bag out. It's a big one. It looks like a tote. This is what the bag looks like. This is vegan leather. I can tell just by feeling it. This is Urban Expressions. This is the Henderson Workwear Tote in red. And it looks like this. It's really not red. This is more of a rust color. The camera is picking it up correctly. Let's look inside it though. Well, it does have the turn lock there. And I'm gonna have to break these apart. Okay, this is what the bag looks like. So it does have two compartments, and it's separated by this zipper compartment. It does have a zip compartment there, a couple slip pockets, a fabric interior. So this is a nice bag. I like the color. This feels like almost like a fall color, not necessarily a spring color. I do have a blue bag similar to this, and I think it's Urban Expressions as well, a work tote that I did purchase from Stitch Fix, which is actually perfect for the spring season. So I'm going to try this one on. We'll see how it works. I'll try everything on. We'll come back and I'll let you know what I think of the clothes. Hold on just a second. I'm back and I've tried everything on. There are some contenders in this fix, but I'm not keeping everything. Now, the total of this fix is $248. The buy all discount is $62. I would get $62 off if I keep everything, which brings the total to $186. That's the number I saw earlier. I'm not going to keep everything. I'm not real happy with the fit on everything. Let me share the clothes with you and the individual prices. I'm curious what you think about the items that I received this time. You know what? Let's read the stylist note. She says, "Hi Kelly, happy fix day. I'm so happy to be styling you today. Winter is ending, but a lot of the time the weather just does not want to cooperate. Yeah, like today. Let me give you some fresh inspiration on how to style your lightweight jackets during this chilly season. The pieces that I included in your fix today will enhance the jackets you already have and help you stick it out until spring comes. I kicked things off with the Studio Blue denim to add to your growing wardrobe. This versatile pair will keep you comfortable and stylish. Throw on the lightweight Market & Spruce hoodie for a casual everyday look. Elevate the denim when you pair them with the Spring Ready tops by Market & Spruce and 41 Hawthorne. These will add the perfect splash of color to your look. I hope you enjoy. All the best, Ashley. Okay, let's talk first about the first thing she mentioned, the hoodie. This is Market & Spruce, and this is the Kaylin brushed knit hoodie in light purple. This is not expensive either. So this hoodie here is $38. It is a really light color lilac, and I didn't think I would like the color, but guys, I don't mind it. What do you think with my complexion? I am so fair complected that I stay away from lighter colors like pastel. I love white. I will wear white, but the lighter colors just seem to wash me out. I love the varsity stripe on this. It's super cozy. It's lightweight, and for that reason, I think the $38 price tag is a good price tag. Guys, I could do without these hoods. Honestly, I really could. I like a hoodie, one of those thick fleece hoodies with a hood, you know, when you really are cold. But this seems a little bit clingy. You could see my tank top underneath, the lines of my tank top, and this does have a kangaroo pocket. I'm not completely sold on this piece, but it was very cozy. I could have left it on for today. Yeah, this is a nice piece, but like I said, I'm not completely sold. The next piece, this is actually the first piece that I tried on. I was drawn to the color, and they call this mustard. This is Market & Spruce, right? This is the Market & Spruce Hans crochet front top. It's just crochet on the front, and the back is plain. It does have that zip detail on the back. It does have the lace sleeves on it. I like this color. In fact, this is just a cheerful color, but I feel like the top was too clingy on me, and I don't know about all that lace detail. This one is $58 as well, and if it had fit better, I think I would be considering keeping it because of the color. This is a great color for spring, and this, it almost feels like marigold. Now, Stitch Fix does call this mustard, but I think this is a super color for spring. What do you think? It's too tight on me, don't you think? Too clingy? Yeah, it's showing off things that I don't want to show off. Now, granted, this would look fabulous under a jacket, but I don't want a piece that I must cover up part of the piece with a jacket. So I think I'm going to send this one back. Still thinking about the hoodie. Guys, this next piece, okay, I don't really need another piece like this. And I think the reason that I like this one so much is because it fit really well. This one is $40. This is a polyester popover short sleeve top V-neck. It's got the keyhole in the back. I have a million of these, but they don't all fit as well as this one. This one's only $40. I do think this is a better fall color. You guys know I would wear this one year round. Now, let's talk about this one. This one would look great with a jacket right now, you know, when the weather's just a little bit chilly, but I could wear this in the summertime as well. So it seems like it would be a good piece because it does fit so well. $40 for this 41 Hawthorne. What do you think? I like it, and I like the color. I didn't think I would because I thought it looked a little bit too wintry, but I do like it. Next up is the tote. Now, I did have to try the tote with the top because I thought they were similar colors. They're not. This is definitely red, and they call this bag red, but this is actually burgundy. Stitch Fix calls this top burgundy and this tote red. This tote is almost a terracotta rust color, and I like it, and I actually think that the two pair really nicely together. This is the Urban Expressions Henderson Everyday Workwear bag. Guys, I don't need this bag. I'm not overly impressed with the bag. If I needed a great big bag, but I have been leaning towards smaller bags. I have not altered that in my style description. When I first started Stitch Fix, I said, send me great big bags, because we were going out much more in those days, and I ended up carrying not only my stuff, but my husband's stuff. You feel me on that one? Well, we're not going out anymore, so I have switched to smaller crossbody styles. So I am going to send this one back, and I'm going to make some alterations to my style profile, because I think I'd rather receive more crossbodies. I'm loving crossbodies lately. I did save the best for last. I love these jeans. I love these jeans. What's wrong with me? The Stitch Fix does a great job with denim. If you have a hard time shopping for denim, I recommend trying Stitch Fix. Their stylists really do a good job in sending me denim that I can't send back, and this is no exception. This is Studio Blue. Let's read the Stitch Fix tag. It's a Stitch Fix exclusive, so that's kind of cool. Here's the tag. These are the Rocky Super High Rise Boyfriend Jean in indigo. These are a size 12. They also have a button fly there, and they are a little bit short when I take the cuff down. A length that I'm not real pleased about, but I think I would always wear these cuffed. They are a boyfriend jean. You can see they're slightly distressed there, a little bit on the pockets. I love these jeans. I love the way they feel. Now, I have some of these Studio Blue denim, and they tend to be predominantly cotton. These have a lot of spandex in them, and I'm a little bit worried that they will stretch out as I wear them to the point of being too big. I don't know if I care about that right now. I really like these jeans. They're $58. I think that's a really good price. What do you guys think of these? These are a high rise. This is the highest rise denim that Stitch Fix has ever sent me. Every single fix I ask for a high rise trendy denim, and my stylist delivered this time. I think I am going to keep the denim. So what do you think about the burgundy top? Should I keep it as an outfit? Now, in the try-on, I did tuck the top into the denim because I wanted you to get an idea of how high-waisted these pants are. I really don't think that I would tuck this all the way in, but you know what? I could actually wear a crop top or a shorter length top if I had these denim. This would be the highest rise I would put into my wardrobe, and they fit. Should I keep the top that fits as well? Nothing makes a girl feel better than putting on an outfit that you feel very comfortable and stylish in. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. If you are interested in trying Stitch Fix, or you would just like more information, I have left everything I know in the comments in the description box below, so you can check it out. I've also left my link. If you would like to use my link, you will get $25 off your first fix, so feel free to use it. I get a little credit in return when you do that. Thank you to everyone that uses my links. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you're subscribed. If you're curious about all the clothing behind me, make sure you're subscribed, because that video is coming out very, very soon. I will see you then. Blessings to all of you.